Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues on your Nintendo Switch, whether it's the Switch Lite, Switch, or OLED Switch, and you may want to see how exactly you can fix it. The specific issue is it not powering on or it not turning on. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing, as always, is to make sure that the charger that you're using for your specific Nintendo Switch, the one you're plugging in at the bottom right here, you want to make sure that it's actually a proper charger for your specific, Nintendo Switch. I've seen so many times people have, chargers that aren't actually outputting enough power for it to actually charge. So if you have a charger that's just not charging any device that you have, well, you may want to go ahead and double check that it's going to charge your, Switch, because this thing takes a lot of power. And if it's not charging it, you may want to double check that charger. Now, let's say it's still not powering on when you have it plugged in, or maybe you're getting a little battery icon and it's just not charging up your console. The next thing I'd recommend doing is unplugging your device from the charger and then taking out the Joy-Cons if you have the ability to. On the Switch Lite, you don't have this ability. So you just want to go ahead and take out your Joy-Cons like this, take out your Joy-Con on this side as well, and you want to go ahead and plug your charger back into this device. I'm going to say this is pretty much how it fixes it for me every single time. Anytime I have an issue on my Nintendo Switch, I always take out the Joy-Cons, I then plug in the charger, and then you want to just let it sit there and let it charge up. I'm going to be completely honest, I think that will probably end up fixing it, and once you're able to power it back on, then I would recommend going ahead and putting the Joy-Cons back on, and then letting your Switch, power up completely, and then coming back and then putting these back on, and then you can use it however you want to. If that's still not working, another thing I would recommend doing is to, again, double check that charger, make sure it's charging up really fine on all these other devices. You then want to go ahead and hold down up this power button right here on the Switch and Switch Lite. It's pretty much the same place. You want to hold it down while it's plugged in, and you want to see if you can get it to actually boot up some type of image. If it's able to boot up that, battery icon, then there's not a big problem with your Switch. It's probably just some battery problem you're having temporarily, and all you have to do is go ahead and keep holding that on and plugging it in and make sure it's charging until you get that battery icon, and then it may just end up fixing itself. And that's really all you have to do. If you're still experiencing some issues, I would probably recommend contacting Nintendo and having them take a look at your Nintendo Switch to make sure there's no issues with it. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.